can see, Brady and Logan have left their Legos all over the floor again, and as you know, there's nothing worse than stepping on a Lego. I guess I'll pick these up for them and maybe make a math lesson about them. Mrs. Knox here. And when my boys were younger, they played Legos a lot. Sometimes they still get them out and play with them, but whenever they would play with their Legos, because I'm a teacher, I would always try to turn it into a math lesson. So since we are now virtually learning, now it's time for me to turn these Legos into a math lesson for you. So if you have some Legos or Duplos or any kind of blocks that have that connect together, might be a good idea, or you can just use the ones that I'm going to show you in my video. So let's take a look at some Legos and how they relate to math and how they relate to arrays and multiplication. All right, I have a couple different Legos here, and we'll start out with some smaller ones and then try to work our way up to some challenges. If you don't have any Legos of your own, you can use the ones that I have here. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at these and we're going to see if we can come up with a number sentence, some repeated addition, and a multiplication sentence that goes with each of these Legos. So if I look at this first one that is an 8 block, if I look, I see that I have 2 rows and each one has 2 in it, and there are 4 rows. So my repeated addition sentence might look like 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which if I skip count by 2's, I can figure out is 2, 4, 6, 8. Or I can say that I have 4 2's. 4 times 2 equals 8. And I can always double check myself and count each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number 1, which we're saying is this orange block, is 4 times 2 equals 8. All right, let's do another one together. Let's take a look at this one. And I'll give you a second to look at it. See if you can write down the addition sentence that would go with this Lego block. I see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and it looks like there's 4 in each row. This is a square, so I could write 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. I've got 4, 4, 4, and 4. So I might say 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Or 4 times 4 equals 16. We call this a square number. As you can see, the shape is a square. Its sides are equal length, and when you get into 3rd grade and 4th grade and beyond, you'll be learning more and more about what a square number is. But it's a number that makes an array that's a square. All right, take a look at this one. Let's scoot it up a little bit. We're going to call this number 3. Go ahead and see if you can write an addition sentence for this one. Looks like we have 4 rows. Looks like there's 6 in each one. Maybe when I add this, since I'm good at doubles, maybe I say 6 plus 6 is 12. This 6 plus 6 is 12. And then I could do 12 plus 12 real quick. Come up with 24. If I wasn't sure, I could count every single dot. Not the fastest way, but definitely will get you the same result. And my multiplication, 4 times 6 equals 24. All right, let's do a harder one. How about this one? We'll call this number 4. We're going to have one more after this. Can you write the addition sentence that would go with this? Again, it looks like we've got 4 rows. Looks like there's 8 in each one. Eight, 4 eighths equals, oh, that's hard. I definitely think I want to do doubles for this one. So I know 8 plus 8, 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry my 1, 2, 3, 32. Again, I could touch each dot, I could count each dot, and see that 4 times 8 equals 32. All right, challenge problem. Here's a hard one. I'm going to put it up at the top of my paper since I ran out of space. So we're going to say this is number 5. I want you to see if you can write the addition sentence for this, the multiplication sentence for this last one. Looks like we have 6 rows. Ooh. 8 in each row. Wow, this is going to be hard. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Do I have them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eighths. 6 eighths. How am I going to figure this out? I'm not really good at counting by eighths, but I'm going to try. So I'm going to say 8 plus 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and 8 more, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and then 40 plus 8 is 48. Wow, that's a big number. Again, I could check this by counting each dot to confirm that I am correct. So if you don't have any Legos of your own, that's okay. If you do, pull out 4 or 5, 6, 7, however many you want to do, and see if you can write down an addition sentence and a multiplication sentence that goes along with it. Take a picture of it, send it to your teacher via Dojo, Remind, Seesaw, email, text, passenger pigeon, however you're going to get your teacher that picture, and keep practicing those arrays. Right, that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning, like and subscribe. It'll be right here. See you later. Bye.